This is Fred, my new friend. So I posted a TikTok about him. My TikTok is Mr. Flame Donuts, I think. And I'm at the park right now. I just found him. I gave him a name, Fred. I think he's a baby that can't walk. Or fly. He's just standing there. I think he's looking for food, actually, because sometimes he keeps opening his mouth when like these gnats come by. I just found him laying on the ground. He's pretty cute. Look at all these. Holy shoot. Fred is my friend. My new friend. I hope he doesn't get run over by any cars or he doesn't die of starvation. This video might be short, but there's gonna be some photos after this. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the photos of Fred.